Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad then, and enter a secret code which is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see here, we've got the whole device info with IMEI numbers included. Tap on cancel to query it, and you can also find both numbers via settings. So at first open the settings, then you will have to reach about. To do it, you need to open general at first and then go to about. And here at the top of the list you will notice serial number, and at the bottom both IMEI numbers. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.